Upon arriving at Kalikuan Island, you can see from us the excitement on seeing the beautiful view and ocean waves Kalikuan has to offer. You can enjoy here the white sand beach. You can have fun with your friends together with its crystal clear water. And even take a beautiful shots or pictures. As we enter this villa, it comes along with its beautiful cottages. You can have quality time with your friends and explore its surroundings. Explore the beautiful rock formation Kalikuan has to offer.
That is all the destination and different activities present if you visit Giwon's during summer, specifically Kalikuan Island. From the beautiful view and from the eye-catching waves, it makes Giwon a better place to visit.